Hi, this is Victoria with healthmanifested.com, and I'm here to talk to you about Mars in Capricorn. And Mars is exalted here in Capricorn, which means Mars really loves to be in Capricorn. That's because someone with this energy can get a lot accomplished, and Mars is the planet of action, and Mars likes to get things done. And with this placement, people with Mars in Capricorn are really great at strategizing. They're really great at following the rules and the laws, and they really strive to be at the highest rank, and they really just want to be number one and be the best. And they're usually very confident and in a mature way, and they like to get stuff done. And Mars is just really happy here because Mars really likes to get things done. And that's my analysis of Mars in Capricorn.